What's going on, intelligent people? Mr. Sig here, and as you can see, we have Luna. Luna actually today is 6% down. I mean, as you can see, every single crypto, okay, coin on our watch list is bearish. Now, daily time frame overall, let's just start from the weekly. Already this past week, 13% down. We were absolutely expecting that, okay, those bearish movements to the downside. As you can see now, maybe a lot of people continue to buy, but their stop losses got taken out. Okay, here. Now we can also see that we mitigated this beautiful demand area in here, and we're also at the trendline liquidity, okay, from before. Now what I'm expecting, something to happen is either we are gonna like move a little bit lower than here, do something, go up, and then from there push like seriously down to what grab all the liquidity and then come back, okay, lower, obviously, to mitigate something. For example, this demand area, which I don't believe this is gonna come back to $60. I mean, come on, I mean super low, maybe yeah, around those areas, and then from here take the price higher. Now this is overall my high time frame actual prediction. Okay, doesn't mean that this will be happening 100%, and we don't have the confirmations for it right now, so I will continue to keep you guys updated for the following week.